That is a very big question, okay?
Let's talk about Akshayakalpa, a farmer entrepreneurship initiative where young farmers are groomed and supported to set up profitable dairy farms.
Farming is viable, okay? Farming is really beautiful. Farming, you can make money. That's what we are trying to teach farmers. Along with them, we are also learning to making farming viable. That's what Akshayakalpa does.
Akshayakalpa has helped 700 plus farmers become profitable while helping them have a more viable and sustainable way of farming. They currently produce 55,000 liters milk and 8,000 liters of yogurt every day. A heart-centered mission like this has challenges, and this is when Akshayakalpa and Kapture's partnership began to nudge.
See, I think one of the main things which I believe the Kapture has helped us, okay, get a unified view of a customer. Okay, there are a lot of things are happening on Facebook, a lot of things are happening on Twitter, a lot of things are happening on YouTube, a lot of things are incoming calls are coming. There's a whole lot of world out there. How do you link all of them together? I think that's exactly how, okay, the Kapture, okay, that's exactly how we are using Kapture right now. Yeah, there are a lot more things we can do, a lot more challenges are there. Okay, but that's a very good starting point, getting a customer's view in one place. This is what customer is talking, these are the challenges. So that's how I view Kapture as. I think it has solved one of the fundamental problems for us, okay, trying to know customer better. Somewhere in 2019 Feb, March. So it's when we had a lot of issues on customer care side. We moved from one platform to other platform, and we wanted to really Kapture to really help us to migrate quickly from other platform to one platform. So that's when I believe the Kapture team really went out of the way and really get the customer, okay, calling system organized. So that is one area I believe it was very, very critical. We migrated close to around 12,000 customers in 3 days. Okay, that was something amazing. See, the way I really look at now, I think I did mention at the time, there are a lot of tools out there, okay. One is on the customer engagement, okay, and how do you engage customer in multiple channels, and how do you inbound call management, linking. I don't see many tools, linking social media and inbound calling, linking them, I don't see many tools around. That's what I believe the Kapture plays very, very important role.